that's a Bel Air because it's a 4-door. If it were a 2-door, it would be a Nova. Good looking square body pickup right there. Silverado, 86. Good looking truck. Mopar. Forward jobby. I'll have to go check that out. And a rescue car, I guess. Check this out. This is cool. So here's the owner of the car right here. AJ Foyt is his license plate. I want to find out what the deal is with that. What's the deal with the license plate?
Every time I get pulled over by the cop, the first thing that he asks me, doesn't say registration or anything. He says, "Who you think you are, AJ Foyt?"
Now
so
you can say,
I put it on. So
now you can say that. That's freaking awesome. Morning.
Go their support shows, but we won't put them on, you know. And I didn't want to get involved in that. My wife will do it.
'51 Chevrolet tap truck. I wonder if you can rent him. Well, go to Tap Truck Daytona and check them out. How are y'all today? Good. Awesome. Check out the hubcaps. I love the hubcaps. Man, look at the face on that 51. Okay, so another year's gone by. 2023 is gone. Tomorrow 2024 kicks in. I hope everybody has a great New Year's. I hope everybody has a great 2024. Everyone stays healthy and prosperous. Thanks for watching Drive By Cars with Alan. I appreciate everyone who's subscribed to the channel. I appreciate everyone who's watched it. For all your comments and all your likes, thank you so much. See you in 2024. Don't forget, like and subscribe to the channel.